Hello everyone, this is Technology Consultant and I'm Sam. Here we are with another video. In this video we'll show you how to log in Facebook account without email address and phone number. Before moving further, like this video, click on subscribe button and you have to click on the notification icon. Click on all so you will get the notifications for all the upcoming videos. For this one you have to open Facebook Lite. And we'll go to profile and show you the account. So this is the account. So this is the account which we are going to log in. You have to go to profile, tap on these three dots. Tap on copy link. Here you can see copied link. Now for proof we'll log out from this account. And here you can see each and everything we have removed. Now you have to minimize Facebook Lite. Open any browser. We'll open Google Chrome. Open google.com. Type here find my FB ID. Tap on search. Here you will see the first side, random tools. Tap on it. Scroll down. You have to paste the copied link here. Tap on find Facebook ID. Scroll down. Here you can see the site is now searching. Scroll down. Here you can see success. Now you have to copy these digits. Tap on it and copy. Minimize the browser. Open Facebook Lite again. Paste these digits here. Type your password. Tap on login. And here you can see we are successfully logged in without phone number and email address. So in the same way you can also log in to Facebook account without email address and phone number. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel for more useful videos.